Welcome to Tom, Tools on Amazon. Every day, we aim to inspire you with a series of unique and out-of-the-box tools and inventions. Ready to explore them all? The great thing here is that the way the machine works is so eye-catching. You can't take your eyes off it.
And then just go out.
It looks like a lightning bolt, but it's actually a battery-powered Tesla coil gun. Its brushless motor delivers more runtime than regular brush tools. Its versatility and power make DIY easier. A-Team-V dual-function hybrid air pump. You see this, it's compact but can inflate most of the products you need without any effort, so it's really too necessary.
Look. Oh, bro.
Sonic.
Punching a hole in a thick piece of wood is so easy. This creation is truly a great thing. Tying steel wire used to be painful and tiring, but now it can be done easily and without effort with a steel wire tying machine. Truly a technological feat. We get dry snow here because the humidity is low and the weather is usually very cold. We have a battery-operated 2-stage snowblower, and they do not disappoint. With just one swipe of the hand, the entire branch was easily cut off. I don't think this electric pruning shears can do that. It can cut completely in just a few seconds. It is really high heat resistance and enhanced hardness for superior wear resistance. Cermet saw blades really surprise everyone. Looking at the tilled land looks so easy and beautiful. Just control it without effort and you can complete it. With strong capacity and strong tiller head, it is easy for you in your field work. This is one of my favorites. Your knees will be protected because of it. It is suitable for many jobs, and you should have it for yourself. Instead of smashing parts with a hammer, this toolkit makes it much easier to take them apart. Sometimes it's nice to have the right tool for the job. Cut steel and hard materials with just a pair of hand pliers. Its sharpness is truly amazing. Upgrade your DIY tools with a wood drill With long drill bits and outstanding power from a drill, it can also easily help you do the things it can. This grinder is no exception to its capabilities. With such a powerful engine, do you think it will be even more powerful?
The massage is over. Done. Nice sharp, clean edge.
Look at that saw blade. It is so powerful, it cuts through sheet metal with ease. Its versatility and power are amazing for you to know it. It's really surprising to look at the comparison between the two blades. The PVC blade is really different, with sharp and very fast cutting. Wow, really surprised with this box lid cutter. It's both convenient and safe without needing any strength or other tools to remove it. It is so worthy to be in your house.
Or even a wood fire. So you got chopsticks, lock it in by pushing this button here, and once you get your fire going, you'll switch off your gas side, flush out your fire. Oh wow. And then you use the thing here at the bottom, or the side rather, and it'll also refillable with butane gas.
On days with heavy snow, this snow removal trailer is truly your true love. Difficulty in moving around will no longer be a concern for you. The replacement for human power is really useful. This cart can replace human to transport everything easily without any strength.
Stabilizers in the back, it's not in production yet, it's very tight, and we'll be able to lift up more weight.
So when you punch it in the hole, all the dust flies out with it.
What do you think about its cutting ability? The cut is beautiful, and its sawing ability is really perfect.